Today, we delve into the top 3 best saucepans of 2024, putting them through the fire, literally, to help you pick your perfect pot. Number 1. All-Clad D3 3-ply stainless steel saucepan. The Performer. All-Clad's reputation for premium cookware precedes it, and the D3 saucepan lives up to the hype. Crafted from tri-ply stainless steel, this pan boasts exceptional heat distribution and retention. Whether you're searing or simmering, the D3 ensures consistent cooking throughout. Experience. I put this guide to the test with a delicate bechamel sauce. The even heat distribution prevented scorching, a common frustration with less conductive materials. Plus, the flared rim and tight-fitting lid minimize splatter, keeping my stovetop clean. Major win. While the stainless steel exterior requires some cleaning TLC, its durability promises years of reliable service. The bottom line, for those seeking a top-of-the-line pan with professional-grade performance, the All-Clad D3 is a dream come true. However, the price tag demands a serious commitment. Number 2. Trementina-covered tri-ply clad saucepan. The value champion. Looking for a high-quality saucepan without breaking the bank? Look no further than Trementina's tri-ply clad option. This pan mirrors the D3's tri-ply construction for excellent heat distribution, but at a significantly lower cost. It also boasts a comfortable, heat-resistant handle and a dishwasher-safe design for easy cleaning. Experience. I tackled a hearty tomato sauce for pasta night with the Trementina. It delivered even heating, allowing me to simmer the sauce gently for a rich, developed flavor. While the heat retention wasn't quite on par with the All-Clad, it was more than adequate for most home cooks. The bottom line, the Trementina tri-ply clad saucepan offers exceptional value for the price. It's a fantastic choice for budget-conscious cooks who crave performance without the premium price tag. Number 3. Le Creuset enameled cast iron signature saucepan. The heavyweight contender, Le Creuset's enameled cast-iron cookware is legendary for its heat retention and versatility. The signature saucepan is no exception. This weighty pan heats slowly and evenly, perfect for low and slow cooking methods like braising or stewing. The vibrant enameled exterior adds a touch of French flair to your kitchen. Experience. I slow-cooked a pot roast in the Le Creuset, and the results were phenomenal. The cast iron distributed heat beautifully, resulting in fall-off-the-bone tender meat. However, the weight can be cumbersome, and the slow preheating time might not suit all recipes. The bottom line, Le Creuset's signature saucepan is an investment piece built to last a lifetime. Its exceptional heat retention and versatility make it a fantastic choice for slow cooking enthusiasts with the budget and muscle to handle its weight.